Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're in Park MGM in Las Vegas and we are in a standard king room. If I just show you as you come through the door. So we're on the 20th floor, room 235, and we're right at the end of the corridor. As you come in, the first thing you got on your right hand side in this room is this door. It slides. And this is the door for the bathroom, which is in there, and when it's open you have access to the closet wardrobe where you have your safe, iron up top, your hangers, ice bucket, glasses, ironing board, luggage rack and drawers. I'll show you the bathroom at the end. If we swing back round, on the other side we have a couple of coat hooks, some artwork just there. We have a full-length mirror on the left with lighting on both sides. Minibar items, some water and nuts just here. There's no fridge in here, no minibar fridge or fridge for personal use that I can see. So that's everything you have. Up there is a flat screen TV. It does come out. You can angle it towards the bed, which is round to the side here. There is a table with a single seat and sofa. This room, or this hotel, is done in a kind of European style, is what they're going for. This nice green around the window cove, and above there is a lamp. We're on the 20th floor, room 235, which is the end of corridor. So to give you an idea of the view we have of the mountains, and then we've got Aria there, the pools down below, and the monorail station. This one takes you, is free, takes you from here to the Crystal shops and then down to Bellagio. And right below us we have the pool. This first one here is for Nomad, so this isn't for Park MGM guests, this is for Nomad, which is the boutique hotel on the top floor of this building. The Park MGM pools are down the bottom. There's one there, and there's another one hidden just down here which you can't quite see, but that's the pools you use for this hotel. Aircon unit just up there, very good. Some more artwork, and then the bed area again with a green painted cove area. And there we go, that's the room. Park MGM is very well located. It's the center to southern tip of the Las Vegas Strip. As I said, from here you're connected with the monorail there. You've got your sandwich between New York and the city center, which is all this area here where you have the Aria, Vidara, Cosmopolitan, and then the other side just along a bit more you then hit Planet Hollywood and Paris, etc. So very well located. Okay, and coming around into the bathroom, we have a single vanity area there with a large mirror, lights either side, trash can underneath, and then you've got your toilet there, some shelving for your hairdryer down the bottom, towels in the middle, and then some of your products on the top there with some with the hand soap. And then the shower itself is a really good size. It's huge in fact, and all very nicely tiled, and the water pressure here is really good. As I said, we're on the 20th floor, but it is very good water pressure. So there's the shower. I'll just back up here. There we go. And there we go, that's the video of this room. It's decent size. I'd say you probably could do with a little bit more storage, and it would be nice to have a fridge, but other than that it's a good property. It's only a few years recently renovated. The actual casino floor a little smaller than most perhaps on the Strip, but you know, this is a completely smoke-free property, so if that's something that appeals to you, then definitely this is the place for you. That's the monorail just coming in. As I said, that is free to use, no ticket required, and helps getting you up and down the Strip. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If it's helped you in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more hotel room reviews and vlogs, including of Vegas. Any questions, leave below, we'll do our best to answer, but until then, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.